Plants take carbon dioxide out of the air through the process of photosynthesis. The ocean also absorbs some carbon dioxide too. The plants then respire some carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, but also keep some within them until they die. The decomposition of plants and animals also releases some carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. This is the natural carbon cycle, which the human race has been tampering with for over a century. The Earth's temperature has changed naturally over time. It's had its ups and downs, but these changes have almost always followed changes in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases keep the world livable, because without them, the world would be too cold for anything to survive. One of the main contributors to our most recent rise in greenhouse gases is fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are the fossilized remains of plants that existed millions of years ago. The carbon and other greenhouse gas contributing molecules that these plants took from the atmosphere so long ago is then put back into the atmosphere when humans burn the fuels for energy. People say that we should use fossil fuels because they are cheap and produce a lot of energy, but they also put a lot of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which causes the temperature to rise. As the temperatures rise, so does the ocean level because of ice on land melting and flowing to the sea, and because the warmer water actually takes up more space per weight than the colder water does. Other effects include changes in weather, the seasons, and plants and animals. There will also be more flooding, droughts, and powerful storms. These problems lead to other problems, such as the spread of disease and natural disasters, and food and water shortages. Human-caused climate change has already visibly changed the Earth. Glaciers have shrunk, and springtime events are occurring earlier and earlier. There already have been, and will be, more intense heat waves and storms. And all this was caused by adding greenhouse gases put there by humans. Carbon capture technology, which allows people to use fossilized fuels, but keep the carbon dioxide from reaching the atmosphere, could be used to reach zero emissions, even with fossil fuels. Progress has been made in this process in Texas. Natural gas is also a better option than coal, because natural gases are cleaner than other fossil fuels such as coal, and this means that they produce significantly less greenhouse gases than fossil fuels such as coal. Also, natural gas is more efficient than coal, which makes it a superior option to coal in general. Another option could be solar or wind power. They both generate electricity without releasing any fossil fuels. With all of these options, it must be crazy to think about why you are still using energy that is harming the environment and is harming you.